Welcome to your channel Rayofhope, and this is going to be the another class for SQL injection, right? And today we're gonna cover error-based SQL injection. We already talked about it, what how to recognize, like how to find, identify if we can perform error-based injection or not, right? So basically, how to do that? Let me open my Paint. Okay, we did talk about it that if we found in a website, if there is error, okay, if there is what projection point, okay, we change the parameter values and it is not project but throwing an error means we can perform error-based SQL. Next, you just understand the basic of it that okay, so this okay. So what happened if in a website, right, you change the parameter values and it is not projecting, right, but it is showing an error, means you can perform error-based injection over there, right? Let's do that practical, right? Okay. So for that, I have already asked you to install SQLI labs, right? And how to install that? For that, you can also watch my previous video. I have already made a video on that actually, right? Okay. Without wasting our time, let's go ahead. So I'll be accessing my SQLI labs. So this is, make sure whenever you're going to perform, right, you have to set up and reset the database for labs, right? And then you can start. Okay. So you have plenty of labs over there, right? So if we go ahead, get error-based single quote string, right? I'm gonna click on it. Okay, now see, when I load this parameter, I'm not getting parameter over here, right? But you can find over here that they are saying, please input the ID as parameter with numeric value. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put like 1, right? So I'll do just run. Okay, it is projecting. Projection point is over here. That means we can perform union over here as well. But we are not going to perform union because we have already come to know how to perform union injection in our previous video. So let's see that if there is error or not, right? So if we run this, yeah, you have an error, right? That means this application throwing an error means we can perform error-based injection attack over here as well. I mean, this should have not throw project actually when we were changing the parameter. It could be the issue with the SQLI. Okay. So first, then the second step, what was it? I mean, we were talking about to balance the equation, right? So suppose if I do like how to do that order by. So if I just order by 1000 plus, what happened? Oh, it is not showing error. They really think that the website have 10,000 columns, not right? That means this double quote is not right. If I'm gonna do without any code, just spaces only. Still, it is not showing any error, right? Now, so if we do like a single quote, order by 5,000, hyphenable plus. When single quote is not right, double quote. Okay. So on double quote, we are getting an error, right? Understand this. On double quote, we are getting error, right? But we are not getting unknown column error actually, right? We need to find something which give us unknown column error. You have an error in your database. Okay. Now you can see that we got unknown column 5,000, right? Again, see, it is always about hit and trial method, right? It is not something that we will, we were talking about that there are 5 methods like single quote, double quote, without any, just space, single quote, close braces, single quote, double quote, close braces. So we tried almost all the methodology, but we got the unknown column using double single quote, double quote, close braces, right? Now, and we talk about, I have already one payload which is I have written, but or we are over here. If you look at this payload, I'm using group by contact statement actually, right? And in this string plus represent the space bar, right? It is not specific to version, but you can get to know the database name or anything, whatever you want to, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'll just copy this. I'll paste this string in the comment box as well for your references, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'll just in between this, I'll run this statement. Okay. So can you see we just got to know the version details of the application. Okay. What if I put like data this? Will I get security, right? Understand this. We just got it, right? That means it is vulnerable for error based. We can dump the data, we can exploit the data and whatnot. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and comment your views on it. If you would have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment box and I would be happy to help you. Thank you.